Tell us about authentication.
Again, authentication, a fairly new spec. It's probably a little over a year old. But authentication came about basically because there are a lot of bad actors. So there are counterfeit products, there are poorly built products, there are products that not only poorly built, they're also probably not built to the specification. And we know these products can cause harm to your technology, your PC, or whatever it might be. And it may even cause harm to the consumer. So we implemented this authentication spec. It allows a host to authenticate any device or cable that's trying to connect to it. When a device tries to connect to a host, the host will ask the device, hey, I see you're trying to connect to me. I don't really know you very well. Can you provide your credentials or your certificate of authentication? And if the device has been authenticated, it'll say, here's my certificate. And the host will say, okay, I see who you are. I know everything about you I need to know. And we're now going to operate together at the highest level. The flip side of that is a device is trying to connect to a host. The host asks the device for the credentials. And the device says, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't have a certificate. And the host will say, okay, well, I know a little bit about you, but I really can't validate who you are and what your capabilities are. So I'll still work with you, but I'm going to work with you at a very low level where the host knows the device cannot cause it damage. So the experience will be different because companies will implement their own policy on how they want to work with devices who can't authenticate. And all those policies by company will likely have different parameters.
Thank you so much for your time again. It's always a pleasure, Jeff.
It's great. I really appreciate the opportunity.
Okay.
And we appreciate you guys being here with us. So thanks.
Thanks, Jeff.
Okay.